Okay. Hi guys. This is negative 1 part. Negative 1. Let's go. Let's go. This is my part. I'm gonna give you no way, I already have 100,000 money.
Okay.
This is Dust Gun. This is my bar gunner. Another bar gunner. This is my crate. Explosion. Yeah, wires. I don't have the Game Pass. I have the light machine gun. And I have the half track. Yeah. And I have the base right there. Another base, the three.
Okay. So, Leia, kamusta yung tatlong girls?
I'm gonna go here.
Ang gaganda po nila and I love their
This
energy.
is the gate. Wall.
Gusto mo yung energy nila? Dapat dito kaya!
Armory. This is my shotgun. And this is my other shotgun.
Pero sa tatlong yan, sino sa tingin mo matitipungan ni Denver?
Ham.
Kasi given na po na beautiful talaga sila and sexy, stylish, fashionable. Kaya gusto ko naman po malaman kung ano yung nilalaman ng puso nila.
Kung physically, sa palagay mo sa kanina ma-attract si Denver,
My
dati yun.
garage, because I have a
Kay Chai.
Ano nakita mo kay China sa palagay mo gusto ni Denver?
Meron po siyang X-factor. Yung pag nag-smile siya, ang sweet, ang welcoming, parang you just want to vent out sa kanya. You just wanna be her friend. Parang ganun, safe ka sa kanya.
Yung pag-smile siya, X-factor. Yung pag-smile niya, ang sweet. Nakikita mo, may tinga siyang hira.
that yes, because I have no robot. Machine gun. This is the plane. This is the movie. And this
Okay.
This
So
one
sabi
is
mo
the
na sila Denver,
meeting.
dahil gusto din
This
sila
one
makilala ni Leia.
is the
Sige, sila i-questionin muna siya. Nasa likod mo. What is your first question, Your Honor?
What was that?
Anong dalawang bagay yung pinagsabay ninyo sa dulo ay may pinili kang isa?
Ah,
And
ay!
this one.
Anong bagay yung pinagsabay mo sa dulo? May pinili ka isa.
Oh.
Ay, ito. Kasi ito isa lang.
Hindi po ako sabay. Sarap.
Don't worry about that.
Isa lang talaga yung pinili.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my safe room.
So, pero tama kayo yung
Don't
decision.
worry about
Para
that.
sa murang edad, talaga naman
This
sa
is
murang
my
edad natin, dapat
present.
yun ang inuutan talaga natin. Above everything else.
Just po tama na po kasi kakagraduate ko lang po last.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Congrats,
That
Harvey.
was
Si Chai.
We're gonna stun it.
ng mama ko, nahiwalay yung
It's so comfortable.
yung joke ko pa siya nung panahon na yun. Kasi po,
This is
yung first break
mortal.
up natin, naghiwalay na kami dahil
I don't know how to say it.
sabi ko ng mama ko,
Like that.
tingnan ulit mo nga, hiwalay na
I think this is it. I think this is
yung ulo ko ng 27.
my thing. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, this. Sorry. This is my massive.
Pinili ko po yung
Um,
karubukan ko. Kaysa ko sa...
And this is the garage. Bro, I'm lagging. Just like that. And this car, which is I don't know how to ride a car in real life.
Pero
So,
pinili
yeah,
na
that's
lang
it.
kasi
That is
mas na-realize niya,
negative
mali yan.
part
Dapat ang pinili
1.
ang mami. Hindi ang lalaki.
So, goodbye guys.
Okay.
Bye.